Yo, 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 and welcome back to the channel. Keep to the right, there's a motorbike there, look. We are driving around with Nancy. She's passed her test now, so I'm just checking she can drive before we release her in the car on the roads, because last time we took her for a driving lesson, she could hardly drive, and a week later she passed her test. So now we're just checking on her progress. We've got first gear. We've had first gear for a long time. I don't think she thinks it's an automatic, maybe. She's not too sure. Like, you're on the wrong side of the road though, babe. I'm scared to go on this main road with you. Like, this is ridiculous. Got Angelique as well. She's there somewhere. Where are you? Can't even see you. Oh, there you are. Wow. Driving over those holes like you're in a four-wheel drive, babe, aren't you? We're in a Hyundai Atis. Right. Oh, you nearly put me through the window. You stalled it as well.
Stopping, eh? Because we are not going to the main road.
Why not?
That you have said.
I said I'm not looking forward to it. I didn't say we're not going on it. You passed your test, aren't you? You're entitled to go on those main roads.
You see here, where we are going then? I'm boni cause yati. I'm bani ati. Where?
Right.
Right.
Go right.
Ati
Or go left.
Okay, go.
Go left will be the easiest, like. Go on,
No.
You don't think you need an indicator. Don't worry about your indicator.
Sorry.
Forget about the indicator.
Okay.
The last thing you need to worry about is the indicator. You need to worry about starting your engine. You're in first gear, like.
Come box it, what is Zai? Come box it, Zai.
Okay, we got it started.
Here. Okay.
Okay, you got first gear. Turn that indicator off, like, it's just
Okay, slowly.
not needed.
No.
We are going that way or this way?
Go left.
Amban.
Gosh.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Clignotant.
Right.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Oh my god. Right, you need to get up that hill there.
Yeah, that's why I'm scared.
That's going to be a problem, that little ramp for her, I reckon.
That's why I'm scared.
Come on, let's do it.
Slowly.
Everybody's waiting. There's like thousands of people on YouTube waiting to see you drive. Go on, then you need to get closer to the edge so you can see. You're miles away. Oh my god, don't put it through the mosque. Right, hang on. Whoa. Go on, Alifa, go. Turn it. Oh my god. Straighten it up. Put it in second gear, like. Oh my god. You've been overtook by a badger. This is no good, this. You shouldn't be on this road. Like, I can't believe you passed your test.
Leave me alone.
I'm sweating, like. I don't think it's because of the heat either, like. I'm literally sweating here. Keep to the right a little bit more.
Why you panic?
I'm scared. That's a long time I never.
Oh, I don't know if we should have come this way, like.
Yeah. It's not.
There's a gendarmerie here now. There's a gendarmerie. They're not going to be happy with you, like, I bet. Whoa. Slow down a little bit. Use the brake. Put the clutch in. Clutch. That's it. Put it into first. Put the clutch in. Press the clutch. Okay, lift it up. Go ahead. Stay around him. That's it. Oh my god. This is too much to bear, this. Okay. Put your indicator on and pull over to the side, like.
Which one?
There. That's it. Right, stop. We shouldn't have come on this main road, like, it's too much. You've stalled it. Oh, thank God you stalled. Oh, I can breathe a little bit, like. That is, whoa, you're rolling backwards, like. Okay. What are we going to do with you, like?
Let's go back to that bumpy road again.
I think you're going to need to practice some more, like.
Yeah.
Angelique, are you any better at driving than Nancy?
Huh?
Do you know how to drive? Huh?
Eka.
You do? I don't know whether I can do this, like, this is too much. Angelique,
I swear no. Yeah.
I'm worried. I'm panicking.
Oh,
Okay, you're in neutral. Right, before you get out, you got to look in the mirror to see if there's anything coming past or anything behind you.
Okay, there is nothing.
Angelique's going to drive. Okay. Let's see if Angelique can do any better. Okay, you got neutral. Get handbrakes on. Start the engine. Okay, we got the engine started. Right, hang on a second. Press the brake. The brake. That's it. Nice. Okay, put it into gear. Right, you need to wait until the badgers come past, yeah? There's loads of badgers behind you. I think that's it. It's good. It's good. You're in first. Wait for these badgers to come past in the car. Wait. Just wait a second, please. Please wait. Okay. After the car, you're good to go. Okay, go on. As long as there's nothing behind you, like, come on, leave her go. What's that girl? Okay. Stop. Stay around that car then. Okay, go to the right. Okay, you're gonna need second gear. You need to change gear. Press your clutch down. Into second. Very nice. Probably shouldn't be videoing this. I probably should be concentrating like on not having an accident. So it's going to be me that has to pay. Like, right, stop a sec. Right, put it into first gear. Start the engine. Start the engine. Put it into first. Go. 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 Right, to the right a bit. To the right a bit. How's I? Okay. How you two passed your test, dude, I do not know. I've got no idea. Now they think it's just perfectly all right for you to get in a car on your own now. We've got first gear still. Let's change it to second. Okay, we've got second. It's good. It's good. Go on, Alifa, go. Accelerate. That's it. Wow, I'm gonna need a shower after this, like a new change of clothes. Huh? Oh no. Right, slowly, slowly. There we go. Go. Keep going. We're gonna have to go straight on like and get rid of this traffic. We'll slow down a little bit. Okay, go on. Go, go. You're alright. Good. Wait a sec. Right, hang on a sec. We're going to have to steer around these cars here, around this badger when this guy comes here. Right, press the brake. Brake. Okay, put it into first gear. Press the clutch. Go. Not yet, wait a sec, wait a sec. Wait a sec, wait a sec. There's a car fucking coming. Wait. Wait, listen. Wait for that badger. You got your clutch? Okay, wait a sec for the motorbike. Hang on. Good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think we're gonna have to pull over. Like, we're gonna have to train you somewhere else. We can't train you on the roads. This is too much. We're definitely gonna kill somebody, like. Right, overtake that lorry. Go. Right, slowly, 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 slowly. Put the clutch in. Put the clutch in. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, keep the clutch in. You need the clutch. Clutch. Right, you ready? Go. Go. Right, nice and straight. And then when you get to where that person is there, stop. Pull over on the right here. Put your indicator on.
Your stop.
Indicator. Put that indicator on. Stop here. Stop. 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 Clutch in. Clutch. Oh, you stalled it. Thank God. I think I'm going to take over. This is too much. Like, I'm scared. Like, literally scared of this now. Oh, I'm literally sweating. Like, look, absolutely covered in sweat. Like. Not good. Like. Okay, get out. I'm going to drive. Enough is enough. I'm going to drive you to somewhere where I can teach you to drive, where it's quiet, where there's nothing. That's a good plan. Thanks for watching from Nudie Island. Woo!